What's up YouTube? Quick video today since I actually have somewhat of an overhead garage in here. As you might know, I have no parking at my place, so come here, get a good wash, and take a little video for you guys. So we'll start off with my car wash. So I use the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. Really like this. You don't need very much of it, and it covers with a good coat on the whole vehicle. This is also a Chemical Guys. It's a Diablo wheel cleaner. It's diluted, that's why it's not in the regular packaging. Basically just spray it on calipers, wheels, everything all around here, even the suspension. And then it's like a no scrub wash, so you just spray it off. Sometimes I might need to give it a scrub depending on how dirty the car is, but usually no. And sorry for the background radio noise. My butter wax, this is for the end. This is what gives my Tacoma a really nice gloss, which you might see it right now. And it's got a good layer of dirt on it, but it keeps it very well, shined and polished. I really enjoy this. For the end, the tire shine. This is by far one of my favorite tire shines I've ever used, Meguiar's Hot Shine. This leaves them very nice, very shiny, and it keeps them like that for a couple weeks, which is crazy. Real quick before I get started, any of the stuff that I have, I'll put down in the description. Mostly all of it, I have the link for them. So like I said, those go down in the description. You click on it and you can purchase it through Amazon or through Chemical Guys, wherever I purchase this stuff from. Also like previous stuff. So everything I purchased for like the interior, stickers, emblems, all that stuff is down in the description. So if you're interested, go ahead and click it. If there's something that I don't have in there or you want a opinion on, just let me know. I'll give you guys my honest opinion on what I think, how I like it, and all that good stuff, right? And so I do use a lot of Chemical Guys products. Some people like them, some people don't. I really enjoy them. Right there, I've got a few more that I didn't show that are back in my place, which I can show after the video. But I use it for everything. I mean, even for the plastic trim around here, I use it to give it a nice shine. Inside, all along here, I've got Chemical Guys products. The leather seats, conditioner, shine, all that protectant is all Chemical Guys. So yeah, I just really enjoy them. And this is not a paid or sponsored video or anything by Chemical Guys. I just really like their products. Guys, look at the rims. They got no dirt on them. Look really nice. And that was from not even scrubbing them. Now they don't look perfect or really nice all the time, so sometimes you might have to scrub them to get that extra dirt off. So I'm drying the truck now. Same type of procedure. You can see the top's all dried off. Back windows, side windows haven't got yet, but all this is wet still. Worked my way from there. Front windshield and then the hood. Haven't done any of this. Some things that'll change, I might dry these off right away. That way no water spots get on them. Wherever the sun's hitting, usually I'll start there first. So you got the sun on the tailgate, a little bit on the back. So I dried that stuff off immediately. That way I don't have to worry about water spots or any damage like that. And then, like I said, I'll go down the bottom, hit the rims last. All cleaned up, looking nice. Got a little bit of water running down right there and right there. Dried the tail or the bed of the truck real quick. Gonna now put on some butter wet wax. This is cool. You put it on and literally right after it's applied, you could take it right off. So you don't have to let it sit on there or do anything like that. So I'll typically do like half of the hood first, then I'll wipe it off real quick, do the other half, and then we're good to go. See if you guys will be able to tell. So there's what it looks like without it. Looks really nice. Okay, did one coat on the hood. I don't know if you could tell, but I could definitely see that gloss is looking so much better. I mean, don't get me wrong, it had a good gloss before, but after applying the wax, man, that looks nice. I'll go ahead and get those sides and work on the back. The whole truck has been waxed. Top's looking nice. The sides, tailgate, all that good stuff. Now, I don't wax every part of this truck. Well, of course, like I'm not gonna wax, you know, the plastic right there. You're not supposed to. I do the headlights, keep those waxed. Basically everything else, none of the black stuff, but you know, headlights, mirror caps. I even do the windows. I like to wax the windows. And there's certain parts, so for instance, from here, you know, I don't wax this. From about here down, this area, I don't wax along here. I don't even wax this, any of that. I wax from about right here, as you can see that nice gloss, all the way along there and down. Reason being is eventually this will all get cut. This will get cut off and I'll put a front bumper on there. So no reason for me to really wax it. Just like I don't pay too much attention with drying off the grill, because I've got a new one I'm gonna put on. And then same with back here. Come to the back. I don't necessarily wax these because this is gonna be removed at one point. So I'll have a rear bumper on there. So just a couple things that I don't do. If you don't wax your truck, but you kind of tell yourself, you know, I probably should do it, at least wax the top. Wax the top along here where the sun just beats on it all day. Mirror caps I love to do, and then the front hood. Now just get those main spots where the sun is just gonna tear it up, and over time you're gonna get that, you know, that roughness, and it's not gonna feel soft and smooth. So yeah, all wax and looks good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I like seeing people wash their cars and what they use. For some reason I'm always watching YouTube videos on them, so I figure I would make a video for you guys, and any questions you have I'll answer them. Give you guys my honest opinion and thoughts on all the products I use and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future videos.